Imagine spending the day at the pool with your family, going down the slides, enjoying a nice afternoon by the fire inside the clubhouse, taking a nice round of golf right here behind me. This is what life's like at Somersett. We are now just gonna drive 2 minutes up the hill to the cliffs at Somersett and see what we have to offer. In this beautiful single-story, fully functional, open and bright floor plan, we are in the cliffs at Somersett. This home at 9191 Graycliff Lane has all of the upgrades you can imagine. The design is in the details. Let's take a closer look.